my channel. Today we're going to do a Crockpot meal. This is going to be Crockpot chicken thighs. And you're going to have to take your chicken thighs and sear them in a skillet before you start. So I've already done that and I've placed those in the Crockpot. I'll show you those in a second. Let's go ahead and get our sauce mixed up. Okay, and I'm just going to eyeball most of this, but you need about 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. We need about 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce. So that should be the rest of this. Just about it. I think that's about enough. And instead of honey, I'm going to put brown sugar in because my honey didn't look like it was doing so great. So I'm going to put some brown sugar in instead. We'll see how it goes. I would have rather used the honey, but it didn't look good. So I'm going to measure out this because I'm just going to do about the same amount that the honey would have been. I'm just hoping it's not going to be too much. Maybe a little less. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put it all in. It's a little bit less than 1/3 of a cup of honey. And instead of minced garlic, we're just going to use powdered because it's just easier, and you're going to need about 3 teaspoons or so. Okay. You're going to also need some onion powder. The recipe, I'm going to try to remember to post that below, that way sometime. That way you can look for yourself and discern for yourself how much of what you want to put in there. A teaspoon of parsley. And we're going to need some dry mustard. I always keep dry mustard on hand, dry ground mustard. It just gives it a little bit of a twang that it needs. All right, I'm gonna whisk all this together. You need to get your skin golden brown. I salt and peppered it, so there's that. And now we're going to take this little bit of a sauce we made, pour over the top. I did put a couple extra chicken thighs. I got a big family pack of chicken thighs, and the recipe only called for, I can't remember, 8, but there was 10 in the pack, so I just put them in there too. It's not going to hurt nothing. All right. So this is it until, let's see, you need to do it high for 3 hours or low for 5 until this sauce is done, until the chicken is done and the sauce is thickened. So I'll see you back here in a little while. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. It's a 3-ingredient chicken thigh done in the crock pot, but it tastes a lot like barbecue chicken. So I just paired the sides with it that would typically go with barbecue chicken. And okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. This is a crock pot 3-ingredient chicken thigh. Basically, it's barbecue chicken, and it tastes great, even though I had substituted the brown sugar for the honey. So you could do that if you wanted to. Honey would be better, but you know, if you don't have it, you don't have it. And I paired it with barbecue type sides, deviled eggs and some baked beans, and it tastes great, and I think everybody will be happy with it. I'll see y'all next time.